When phylloxera and mildew spread all over Europe in the 18th century, it became virtually impossible to fight against all the pests by hand or with brushes. It was time for a change. The innovation came from Johann Baptist Birchmeier in 1890, when he invented the first backpack sprayer. He made pest control much easier and more efficient. And that was only the beginning. Birchmeier Sprühtechnik Limited is a Swiss company based in Stettin. In keeping with our motto, make things better, the closely knit team at Birchmeier constantly strive to develop and produce top quality, reliable and functional products. We specialize in technologies like spraying, dispensing, and foaming, to powder dusting and spreading. We keep moving forward, which is proven by the innovations we've developed since 1876. For example, with the invention of the first backpack sprayer with an external pump in 1890, followed by numerous other innovations, through to battery-powered and electronically controlled units, making spraying easier and more efficient than ever before. Our sprayer range is unique with the cross-manufacturer CAS battery system. A comprehensive range of products, from hand sprayers, pressurized pump sprayers made from plastic or stainless steel, backpack sprayers, either manual or battery-powered, up to cart sprayers. Unique in performance and quality. A range of numerous applications in many areas, for home and garden, construction, cleaning, vehicle maintenance, pest control, disinfection, and many more. From our factory in Switzerland, we export our products to over 80 countries around the world. Birchmeier Sprühtechnik. Smart and Swiss since 1876. Top quality products made in Switzerland.